Welcome back to Bike Buzz, the place where speed meets innovation. Today, we dive into the future of MotoGP engineering with a quick look at the 2026 Yamaha YZR M1V4, Yamaha's next-generation prototype built to reclaim dominance on the world stage. The vision behind the M1V4. The 2026 YZR M1V4 represents Yamaha's bold shift toward a more aggressive development philosophy. After years of incremental updates, Yamaha has reimagined the machine from the ground up, blending their signature smooth handling with the raw power MotoGP now demands. Engine and performance. At the heart of the M1V4 is a redesigned V4 engine platform, delivering sharper acceleration and broader torque across the rev range. This shift marks a strategic departure from Yamaha's historic inline-4 tradition, giving riders the explosive corner exit punch needed to battle at the very front. Chassis and handling. Yamaha maintains its legendary focus on agility. The new aluminum frame geometry is tuned for stability under high load while preserving the fluid cornering feel riders trust. Enhanced aerodynamics reduce drag and improve front-end confidence, especially in high-speed transitions. Electronics and rider tools. The 2026 M1V4 introduces refined traction, launch, and engine braking systems. Advanced data-driven algorithms allow for smoother power delivery and greater adaptability to grip changes throughout a race weekend. Conclusion: what this means for MotoGP. With the 2026 YZR M1V4, Yamaha signals a new era, one focused on fighting for victories with a machine engineered for modern MotoGP warfare. Whether this V4 gamble pays off, only time will tell, but one thing is certain: Yamaha is back in the conversation.